What's up, people? I'm back again. Today, I'm back with some more gadgets and gear. Today, I'm back with a piece of exercise equipment that made me feel like I was in a video game. I'm talking about an indoor cycle, spin type bike, Peloton type bike. But for those of us on a budget, this may be the one for you. Let's check it out. Let's go. So I'm talking about the Proform Tour de France CBC Studio Cycle. This is only available at Costco right now. At least that's the only place I've seen this specific bike. And the reason why that's important is because this particular bike brings to you some features that you get on other bikes that are like $1,200, $1,300. This bike is $384.99. That's right. $384.99 at Costco, and I've seen these same features and I've seen comparisons to Peloton bikes that were $1,200 to $1,500 and have the same features. So am I saying that this is exactly the same, 100% the same quality? No. But am I saying that it is doable at this price? Oh yes. Let me tell you more about it, as my friend Adam says. So this bike has a lot of great features. It has the inertia enhanced flywheel for smooth movement. It has the silent magnetic resistance, 16 levels of digital resistance, vertical and horizontal adjustable seat, adjustable handlebars, an LCD display, water bottle holder, and a weight capacity of 250 pounds. The biggest thing that this thing comes with that really drew me in was the 1-year iFit family membership. So iFit, for those of you who haven't used it yet, they have a wide array of different exercise bikes, exercise elliptical machines, treadmills, anything that says iFit on it, you can use the iFit app. Now the iFit app is really what got me, because I've had other machines that have had this and I've never taken the time to actually use it. But with this particular bike, I know I'm not a spin cycle, spin bike kind of person. So I was like, there's no way I'm going to get into this if I don't have some sort of interactive thing going on. And let me tell you, this iFit app really did it for me. They sucked me in right away. I've only done 3 sessions, and the last session I did yesterday, wow, talk about whooping my behind. I was done after 30 minutes of riding. And the good thing about this is they can control your resistance. What? When you connect to the app, they control your resistance. And as they elevate it, you have to keep pushing. You don't have to worry about changing it. And you try to give up, and they control the resistance. Now, of course, there's ways around it if you want to cheat. But I can tell you right now, this is one thing that has really gotten me into it. Here's my first workout on this system. Whew. So as you guys know, I've been doing that COVID and gaining weight. So I am about 15 pounds heavier than I want to be. So I want to drop some weight. This is a bike that I got from my wife. It's a Peloton style bike, but it's actually the Tour de France made by Proform. And along with this bike, you get a year of coach training. I hooked up the iPad to this and just went on a nice ride for, I think it was about 20 minutes or so. Burned about, I don't know, 200 and something calories, but it was an exhilarating ride. And I've never taken any spin classes or anything like that, but I can tell you right now, going from this bike that we had here before to this bike that we have here now, it's a huge difference. We got an elliptical and a treadmill over there, but this right now is more fun than those to me. You know how I like new stuff? Well, that translates to exercise gear as well. So this Tour de France by Proform is definitely one of our newest things in the house and one of our most exciting. I'm hoping that this, along with these sessions that they give you on the iPad, they can actually control your resistance on the bike through the app and through the workouts that you're doing. They have live workouts, they have all kinds of workouts, and I'm excited about it. I don't know about you, if you've done spinning classes before, but for a guy who's never done it, it was exhilarating. It was definitely not something that I thought I would like, but it was a little harder than I thought because of this little seat. I ain't used to sitting on this for so long, but I'll take you on my journey. I just wanted to let you know that all of us have gained weight. All of us are trying to get back to our former selves, and I'm definitely going to try and put in more effort to get back to where I want to be in terms of weight, in terms of fitness, in terms of strength, and all that. So let's go. Whoa! Now, one thing I will say, they did get me a little bit on their advertising, because on the box it shows this big, beautiful display on the bike, which is not quite accurate. The display that's actually on the bike is only about this big, although it does give you the connectivity to use any tablet that you have that's Bluetooth enabled. And that's what I did. I put my iPad right on this, connected it Bluetooth, and they led me through several workouts already. And what I liked about it was some of the workouts are through the countryside, some are up mountains, and some are in the studio. And they have a whole wider range of different trainers that you can go along with. I've done 3 different trainers so far, and I'm just telling you, this bike, I know I'm going on and on about the app. The app is what sucked me in, because those of us who are tech heads and gear heads and love gadgets and gear and games and electronics and all those types of things, this merged that love of mine with the need to stay in shape. Now, as I said in the video, I've gained 15, actually more than 15 now, pounds, and I'm trying to get back to where I was, and this is going to help me do that, because not only am I going to connect it here, I'm also going to connect it to my elliptical, I believe, later, and use some of those classes. However, today we're talking about the Proform Tour de France CBC Studio Cycle. Now, you guys can check it out. I'll put a link to it. It's, like I said, only at Costco. So this was my first gadget and gear review for the holiday season. Hopefully I'm gonna have enough time to put together my gadgets and gear for the season, for the holiday season. I'm hoping to put that out soon. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have one of these cycles, then let me know. Hit me up in the comments down below, because I am just all in. And let me know how long you've been doing this, how long you've been spinning. As I said in the video, I got this from my wife, but I have a feeling I'm gonna be using it a lot more than she is. That's all I got today. I just wanted to give you the benefit of something that I stumbled upon, I bought for my wife and am using myself, and give you an idea. Maybe if you're thinking about something this holiday season for your wife or for yourself, you may want to pick this up. As always, please be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell if you get an opportunity to. Come back and check me out in more videos. I continue to put out as much as I possibly can. Again, there's always gadgets and gear, as well as real life merch at Teespring. Links to that were also in the video down below. If you like what I do and you want to support, as always, you can go to patreon.com/ThaBlackCobra and become one of my patrons. I appreciate you guys just for watching. I appreciate you for coming back and checking me out on a regular basis. Until next time, it's your man, Black Cobra. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your holiday season and all your gadgets and your gear. Peace. Yeah, I got my Santa Claus beard thing going on. There's a whole lot of gray up in here. This is only for the month of November, so it'll be gone. It'll be gone pretty soon. But I figured it was a change. The job allowed it for this month, so I hope you guys like it. If not, no worries. It will be gone really soon. I have one child that keeps telling me, "When are you getting rid of that?" That's just the way they are.